The majority of the mechanicals at Swallow were housed in the basement of the 1950s and 1890s wing until this summer when the construction project began. This video shows you the process of creating the new mechanical room, including creating a fire-rated wall between the new mechanical room and a neighboring classroom, replacing old sewer and water pipes, and completing concrete floor work in the hallway and mechanical room. This process lasted from the beginning of June until August 30th, 2019.
Welcome to Swallow School's new mechanical room. This room houses many key components for the daily operations for the buildings. Some of these components include a new fresh water service that supplies water throughout the building, a new fiber optic supply for technology needs, 2 new hot water heaters that supply hot water to classrooms, sinks, restrooms, and kitchen areas. Also, we have 3 new high-efficiency boilers that supply hot water for the hot heating system needs. Thanks for watching.